Do you remember a week or so ago when I made a deal with you? If you gave me 50,000 likes on the Cantina chicken menu from Taco Bell, I was going to make the quesadilla as a bonus and a thank you. Well, look how 50. No, we didn't. Probably. I don't know. I'm making this in advance because I've already got this stuff here, and I'm just making this in case. So if you're seeing this video, it means either I didn't have anything else to put out today, or we got 50,000 likes on the Cantina chicken menu. I'm hoping it's the latter. Don't really care because I get to eat the quesadilla. Chicken Cantina menu quesadilla. I will show you how to make this thing. I can't really show you now because it's already made, but I'm going to show you over at the stove. So in order to make a quesadilla, you're going to have a large flat surface that you can get very warm, and some butter, and a lid to cover it over. 12-inch flour tortilla won't hurt at all. Some Monterey Jack cheese and some cheddar cheese going down. If you want to use medium or mild, that's great. The sharp stuff could be used as well, or any other cheese that you particularly like. I can tell you that pepper jack cheese is fantastic in one of these. That's not what Taco Bell uses, but you could put pepper jack cheese in there. That'd be great. Just put some cheese down. Don't go too crazy if you're trying to replicate what they have. Now take some of your leftover Cantina chicken, just like I have here, in some Tupperware. I got the extra juice in there. It's wonderful. And we're only putting it on half because it's a quesadilla. Spread that out and make sure you got a nice even layer, and I see a hole, so clearly we're going to have to get one more piece and put that in. There you go. That was going to bug me. All right, put a lid on it. Keep the temperature low so you don't burn this thing. Let's give it a fold after we put our creamy chipotle sauce on there. You saw how to make the sauce, right? There's a link in the top right corner of the screen showing you, the link to the video for making that. Now just fold this thing over, and it might be a little bit more done than you like it. I personally like them really crispy. So that's our quesadilla, and that's it. There you go. That was how you make this thing. It's so simple. That's why I was trying to tell you the other day, a week ago, a month ago, whenever it was that this is coming out. I don't know. For me, it's the next morning. Because who doesn't like Taco Bell for breakfast? Anybody who's ever had the breakfast menu, why do they have the breakfast menu if they don't put anything good on it? I don't know. You can put eggs on that. It'd probably be delicious. I bet you could. But you know what you can put on it? Guacamole. Yeah, this thing comes with guacamole and sour cream as the sides. You don't have to get them, but it comes with them for free, so you might as well. I mean, come on, right? Now the sauce you put inside of it, they use their creamy chipotle sauce. I cheated and used the creamy jalapeno sauce, the magic pink sauce. Preference-wise, yeah, it's my favorite, and my wife requested this one, and since that half is hers, happy wife, happy life. That is the rule. So this has the creamy jalapeno sauce. You watch those videos, right, on how to make those, because those were hard. Those, especially that avocado verde sauce, man, that is a journey to get to that one. That is the hardest sauce that Taco Bell has. But I did it for you because I love you guys. And thank you for watching all these videos, and thank you for getting us to the point where we got 50,000 likes. Maybe. I don't know. But we're here now. Yeah, they do that, but I personally, this piece annoys me. That piece kind of, oh, look at how beautiful that is though. That is gorgeous. That is absolutely gorgeous. That piece kind of annoys me. This piece annoys me less. So maybe that's my wife's half. I don't know if it annoys her or not, but you know what annoys me? Not having thumbnails, so hold on. See, that was pretty quick. I'm going to dig into this thing, and I'm getting my custom piece here because, oh, this is so good. Come on, isn't it? Now we got to put a little guacamole on it, right? So we have our little guacamole here. I'm just smearing a little bit on, stuffing it in that edge there. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. Guacamole for the win. Come on, man. That is awesome. Okay, I'm going to eat the hell out of that. And now you know how to make that because it's super simple. It's a quesadilla. Come on. It's not rocket surgery. It's a quesadilla. It's a tortilla. It's cheese. In this case, we had the jack and the cheddar. The Cantina chicken, which is wonderful and it has a little bit of juice that it's sitting in, a little bit got in here. That is so delicious. And the sauce. Come on, if you like the chipotle sauce, watch the video on how to make that. It's very simple to make. If you like the jalapeno sauce, come on. You and me. I get you. I see you. You're my peeps. If you like the jalapeno sauce, yeah, put that one on. Oh, they're so good. Oh my God. That's awesome. And I'm talking too much because that's going to get cold. And I'm going to see you on the next Drive-Thru Kitchen. Thanks for watching. Bye.